A federal judge has declined a request by the American Library Association to prevent the Trump administration from further dismantling an agency that funds and supports libraries nationwide. The judge, Richard Leon, indicated that recent court decisions suggest his court lacks the authority to address the issue. Previously, Judge Leon had temporarily blocked the administration, suggesting that plaintiffs were likely to prove that President Donald Trump did not have the legal authority to unilaterally close the Institute of Museum and Library Services, which was established by Congress. However, in his latest ruling, he expressed regret over the executive branch's efforts to sever this essential support for libraries and museums. He noted that recent Supreme Court decisions imply that cases involving the reinstatement of federal grants should be heard in the Court of Federal Claims. The American Library Association and the American Federation of State, County, and Municipal Employees filed a lawsuit to stop the administration from dismantling the institute after President Trump signed an executive order on March 14. This order labeled the institute and several other federal agencies as unnecessary. Following this order, the acting director of the agency placed many staff members on administrative leave, issued termination notices to most of them, began canceling grants and contracts, and dismissed all members of the National Museum and Library Services Board. The institute employs approximately 75 people and distributed over $266 million in grants last year. Despite this ruling, a separate order from a Rhode Island judge prevents the government from closing the Museum and Library Services Institute in a case brought by several states. The administration is appealing that order as well.